Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from any video with Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, click subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. All you need to do now is just to go to your edit software or app, and after that you will be needing to start a project. And to start a project, you will be needing just to be in this middle tab or the project tab and then click on the plus button so you can be able to start choosing your uh, footage. So after choosing your footage or your clips, you will be able to start extracting audio from them or just remove the audio from them. So you can just click on this one or on the done side, and after that you will be able to start clicking on the video so you can start editing on it. So as you can see, there is this tool that is called extract audio that would allow you to extract the audio from the video, and it will be added as a separate file or as a separate media here in the project line or in the timeline tab. So let's just click on extract audio, and it seems that our video doesn't have any audio, and let's just choose anything that might have some audio, and I'm just going to click on this one and basically just go to the extract audio, and as you can see, there is this extract audio or this audio file that has been added. Now you will be able to start editing on this audio file independently. That means you can increase its volume, you can choose the fade, you can also replace it with something else, etc., etc. And otherwise, if you just want to remove the audio by muting your video, you can simply either reduce the noise or simply go to voice, not voice, but volume by clicking on the video, go to volume and make it to here and it will be removed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.